My name is Eliza and I'm doing a carpentry and joinery course here as an apprentice. I have passion for woodworking ever since I was a little child. And when we bought our house and I stepped in, I saw in the future, in case this kitchen should be changed, or I saw a place where a built-in wardrobe could have been done, I said to myself, I want to be the one to do this, and how am I going to do it? So I thought the best way to get into education and start. I do love the practical part because it gives me the opportunity to be prepared and practice as many times as I need it. So our day is usually half and half. We spend either the morning or the afternoon in the workshops and the other way around. So we have the chance to learn theory and then we put it into practice. I found the lecturers very supportive. They are very patient and they always make sure they pass on to their knowledge and they explain us everything very well in details. In the future, I can imagine myself as one of the lecturers or to have my own company. I love working with the tools, but I don't think I want to stay with them forever. So moving into management is also another option for me. Absolutely recommend this college to anyone because the lecturers are very helpful and the workshops are very well equipped.